Hello guys, it's been a while. I have been baking. So today, my episode for my video is I'm gonna bake a chiffon upside down cake with pineapple. So here's the ingredients in front of me. So I'm gonna show you one by one. 2 tablespoons sugar, 100 grams custard sugar, 6-7 slices of pineapple. So it's still in the can, okay? And 1 teaspoon baking powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. And 2 large eggs. And also 100 grams of butter, or if you don't have a butter, you can use any margarine, okay? And also here's our 100 grams plain flour. Okay, that's 100 grams plain flour. Okay guys, I will show you one by one the next episode. So stay tuned for my channel and please don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Okay guys, first thing what I'm gonna show you is this baking pan. I'm gonna coat it to butter, and the bottom, as you can see, I'm just gonna wipe all those butters in the bottom of this cake tin, yeah? Okay, that's it. Turn. See? There you go. Now then, the sugar, I'm gonna sprinkle the sugar of this here. Ayan, budburan natin siya ng sugar. Ayan. Magtagalog na lang ko ha. Magtatagalog na lang ako kasi hindi naman ako Tagalog, pero para maintindihan ng iba yung hindi mga Bisaya. To all viewers, mga Bisaya, mega love shout out to you all, and to those all my viewers and my followers, God bless you all, and hopefully we supporting each other. Okay, mega love shout out to Verve TV, Crisani Kitchen, Ricana Briggs, and Duan Spatson, and Tito Dera D, and to all Michael Miller, Cooking with Appetite as well, very supportive, and also to the rest of the gang, so you know, on Master Ray as well, and Babes UK. Okay guys, here's my pineapple. First thing, okay, done already. I'll just put it to the butter and then the sugar. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the pineapple. Okay, just do it nicely. Just do it nicely. Okay. Okay, this is our 100 grams plain flour. Yan na. Slowly, ganyan lang. Masasip ko siya. sugaran. And our castor sugar as well. Castor sugar. Easy lang ito guys if you follow slowly by surely. And then ito na 1 teaspoon of our baking powder and also bicarbonate soda and our 100 grams margarine or soft butter. Okay, the next is our eggs. And then combine all together until fully absorb all the ingredients that you put in here. Slowly, gently. So they need to be thinner. So what I'm gonna do, the juice from the pineapple, I'm gonna mix here a little bit, slowly mix together until it's getting finer to put in there. Okay, just a little bit, and then mix again. Wow, actually guys, it really smells nice. Really smells nice, absolutely. I think I'm gonna put another little by little. Okay, that's it. So we need it to not really thick, need to be a little bit of watery, not really thick, because otherwise hindi maganda ang resulta. So yan. Okay, ayan, ready na siya. It's enough. Okay guys, ilalagay ko na siya dito sa Ayan, tapos na. Ready na siya ayan na siya, guys. So, okay guys, I heated already my oven for 200 degrees or 180 degrees for fan oven. Bake for maximum 30 minutes. Okay, stay tuned for my channel for more videos, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, ready? It's ready to put in the oven. Okay, open the oven. It's really hot at the moment. Okay, there you go. So wait until the cake is cooked so you can see what's the result of my chiffon upside down cake. Okay guys, here's the result of my lovely chiffon cake. Look at this. See, it's pretty and it looks very delicious and tastes nice, so we should try now. Okay, I'm gonna slice this. It smells nice guys. Actually, it's very smell lovely. I can't wait to try this. Actually, my mouth is absolutely watering. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Beautiful. You can follow my recipe guys in the description of this video. And then with a little bit of custard. There you go guys. I would love to try this. Absolutely beautiful. Now I would like to try. Wow. Honestly guys, please try this in your own home or any party or any gatherings in your own house. Absolutely. The taste is great. The smell and the taste is absolutely amazing. Enjoy, and thank you for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.